Installing a processor direct water cooling module. Loosen the screw on the processor board. Align the screw holes on the hose holder and processor board, and also align the guiding pins of the holder with the rear wall. Fasten the screw to secure the holder to the processor board. Unfasten the 2 screws from the hose holder cover. Pull the cover backwards to disengage it from the holder. If there is any old thermal grease on the processors, gently clean the processors with an alcohol cleaning pad. Hold the cold plate handle and align the triangular mark and the Torx T20 screws on the cold plate assembly with the triangular mark and threaded posts of the processor socket, and then insert the cold plate assembly into the processor socket. Fully fasten the Torx T20 captive screws in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate. Fasten the screws until they stop, and then visually inspect to make sure that there is no gap between the screw beneath the cold plate assembly and the processor socket. Rotate the thumb screws as shown to unlock the cold plate handle. Separate the handle from the water cooling module. Install the hoses and liquid detection sensor module in the hose holder. The hoses have guide labels attached. Make sure to align the labels with the holder latches as shown. Otherwise, the hoses might obstruct the connectors on the system board assembly. Connect the liquid detection sensor module cable to the connector on the system board assembly. Slide the hose holder cover into the holder and fasten the 2 screws. Install the cold plate covers on the processor heat sinks. Install the top cover.